So how do you roost turkeys in the afternoon? Well, a lot of times people that live in places where there's open country, such as the Midwest or out west, you're going to be able to glass these turkeys from a distance in the late afternoon hours and watch where they fly up to roost, and you'll be able to slip in there and get a proper setup before dawn. If you are in an area where you're going to essentially be forced to locate them, that's where your owl calls and maybe even your crow calls can come into play. So you want to ease into an area that you can hear a long ways and essentially, you know, do your best owl call and try to get them to respond. One way that I like to do this is using a screech owl call, and essentially that mimics the scream of a screech owl. It kind of goes like this. And then I wait to hear the respond. And a lot of times late in the afternoons, turkeys really respond to that well, and I'm able to roost them and get in the proper position for the next morning's hunt.